We just obviously gave us extra capacity by another machine, but it's given us the option to do bigger parts, and it just gives us flexibility. It's what you need as a subcontractor.
Mike, we're here at Little Wee Engineering. Who are you and what do you do?
So we're a small subcontract engineering firm that pretty well make anything really, just whatever comes through the door.
Whatever comes through the door. So we're standing in front of your most recent investment, the Quasar MB234. I see this is your latest investment. What made you go for this machine? Because it's quite a big machine, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it gives you flexibility whether you've got something massive you want to make or something tiny. We've got 10 vices we can put on it. It just gives us flexibility, and it's what you need as a subcontractor.
Yeah, so subcontractor, we were talking earlier about how you do little 10 pieces off on a machine, or you can do up to 2 metres. So
yeah.
How has this machine helped the growth within your company?
We just obviously gave us extra capacity by another machine, but it's given us the option to do bigger parts, and as I'm sure you're aware, aluminium sector at the minute is really, really vibrant in the UK, and a lot of extrusions going through it.
So I've been here before with you with your other Quasar machine. So you've stuck with the Quasar name. What has made you stick with them?
We're just happy with it, to be fair. It does everything. I kind of feel it's just an all-rounder. Do you know what I mean? It's not necessarily like a super speed machine when you're getting just, but you can only cut aluminium. We can cut anything on it and get it off at a sensible time scale.
It's a huge machine, isn't it? And you've got quite a small, well, not small,
yeah,
it's
big
big inside, yeah. But from the outside you look and think, oh my gosh, how did you get it in? So tell the viewers how we got this machine in here.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive really that they managed it. But yeah, we took the wall down and jacked the roof up a bit, and then the Merits brought the machine in, and it's really impressive how they literally blocked the road up for like 5 minutes, even though it's only a single track road, and just literally brought it through the wall on a forklift.
You've got this machine. I know you've invested heavily in ETG. You've got a Nakamura and another Quasar. So what has made you stick with them as a company?
Well, we just find them really nice to work with. They really look after us, and the machines are great. No one else gave us the support that ETG have given us through like flexibility of delivery to even being understanding on the help with the finance of it and everything. It's just been brilliant. Like when we brought the Nakamura, they delivered it and installed it within a week of ordering it because we were in a hurry. On this one, we wanted to wait a while. They kept it, I think, about 6 or 7 months for us, just so we can just bring it in and when it suited us and not on their time scale. And it was really flexible. As soon as they go, I think it said go on a Friday, it come on the Saturday sort of thing. It was mental, really, you know.
So once it was dropped on the floor, how quick was it up and running, making consumables?
Well, once we sort of gave them the green light to come and do the commission, I think it was about 3 or 4 days, and we was up and running, and everything come in as it should. And
the machine behind us is a huge machine, and I see you can do multiple setups with it. So what is the machine doing? Is it running lights out? Is it running throughout the day?
We do a bit of both. When we've got like some big complex 3D milling, we just leave it on. It's got a nice little feature, it turn off when it finishes the part. But if we're sort of like, generally run from 7 till 10 at night. I think we've only not run it 2 days since we've had it since in last July. So we've made anything from like small buttons to sofas like 19mm diameter, right up to 2 metre parts, up to 2 tons. And you could go smaller than that, you know, it doesn't really make much difference really.
And being a subcontractor, like you are making a range of different parts, probably from like 10 offs to 1,000 offs. Does this machine give you flexibility?
Definitely, that's why we bought it, that's why we stuck with Quasars. I just feel they've just bang got it right, where they're fast enough to do the quick work, but heavy enough to do the heavy work.